Surprise your customers with a unique unboxing experience. Smurfit Kappa partnered with Rollor Packaging to produce an award-winning, innovative, and sustainable e-commerce package, the Rollor. The patented technology guarantees that every item placed beneath the side rails can be shipped in a crease-free manner. It's particularly designed for delicate items that need to arrive in their best state at your customer's home. The Rollor family of designs has also been extended to include Rollor Light for other fashion sectors like shoes, baby clothes, and also Rollor Bottle for the drinks sectors. Rollor is fully customizable and can be printed up to 5 colors to enhance your brand identity and ensure a high unboxing experience for the consumer.